The original Steam Deck's well-executed design and reliable functioning won over both reviewers and players. Now, Valve wants to improve the OLED display even further to further improve the experience. Meanwhile, gaming-focused Legion Go is Lenovo's first attempt to disrupt the handheld market, a computing behemoth. Lenovo has a wealth of hardware experience, but would it be so simple to take on Valve's Steam Deck series? Let's check. In terms of design, the Steam Deck OLED maintained the iconic shape and layout of the original, while the Legion Go opts for a fresh form factor. The Steam Deck retains the same contoured hand grips and balanced weight distribution that make it comfortable to hold over extended play sessions. Valve shaved 29 grams off the weight, with the OLED model now weighing 640 grams. The Legion Go weighs slightly more at 854 grams. However, its detachable controllers bring versatility. When separated, the right controller doubles as a mouse for first-person shooter games. A kickstand also enables tabletop mode. Both devices incorporate trackpads for PC navigation. Overall, while the Steam Deck offers refined, purpose-built ergonomics, the Legion Go provides flexibility through its convertible design. So design-wise, there are pros and cons to each approach. While we appreciate the refined ergonomics and balanced feel of the Steam Deck OLED, the Legion Go's detachable controllers provide helpful versatility. Being able to separate the controllers opens up more ways to use the device. For example, the right controller can act as a mouse for FPS games, while the kickstand enables tabletop gaming. To us, this modular convertible design seems more convenient, but we highly doubt anyone who is buying this portable gaming will be using it this way, although it does allow you to set up the Legion Go in different configurations as needed. The Steam Deck OLED feels highly specialized for handheld use cases with its integrated form factor. However, the Legion Go's adaptable design may offer more flexibility for different gaming scenarios and positions. While both devices are ergonomically well executed, the Legion Go's clever convertible approach gives it an edge in convenience and versatility. To be fair, both the Legion Go and Steam Deck OLED boast impressive screens that make on-the-go gaming more immersive. The Legion Go's stunning 8.8 inches 1600p panel with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate represents a new high bar for handheld visuals. Its vivid colors and smooth animations should provide an exceptional gaming experience. At the same time, the Steam Deck OLED's 7 inches screen enables deeper blacks and heightened contrast compared to the original LCD model. While lower in resolution, the OLED display still looks fantastic and brings the action to life. For palm-sized devices, these displays are engineering marvels. The Legion Go may edge out the Steam Deck in sheer specs, but both handhelds now feature display technology that should delight gamers. While the Steam Deck OLED display remains impressive, the Legion Go's screen steals the show and demonstrates how quickly handheld gaming displays are evolving. Internally, both leverage custom AMD silicon to balance performance and efficiency. The Steam Deck uses a semi-custom Aerith APU combining Zen 2 CPU cores and RDNA 2 graphics. It delivers capable decent gaming performance at 50 watt-hours of battery. The Legion Go harnesses the advanced AMD Z1 Extreme SoC. Built on 4nm Zen 4 and next-gen RDNA 3 architecture, it represents a sizable performance leap over the Steam Deck. Zen 4 boosts per clock CPU throughput by 15% while improving efficiency. RDNA 3 graphics deliver 50% higher performance per watt. For memory, the Legion Go supports ultra-fast LPDDR5 7500 MHz RAM versus 6400 MHz in the Steam Deck. Overall, the Legion Go wins out in raw horsepower. When it comes to maintaining heat, efficient cooling is critical in compact handheld PCs. The previous Steam Deck leverages a custom vapor chamber cooler and dual fans to maintain steady high clocks under load. According to the Valve, due to reduced weight, including updated thermals and bigger fans, we can expect the new OLED version to run even cooler than the original version. Based on hands-on reviews, the Legion Go seems to handle thermals well, thanks to an advanced cooling system incorporating a 120mm central fan and multiple heat pipes. Both devices appear capable of avoiding excessive heat and noise during demanding gaming. For now, cooling performance looks evenly matched. One of the key advantages of both the Steam Deck and Legion Go is their inherent software openness and flexibility as handheld PCs. Right out of the box, the Steam Deck ships with a specialized SteamOS interface designed for gaming. But part of the magic is you can easily install Windows or any other compatible OS, thanks to the full-fledged PC hardware inside. Similarly, the Legion Go utilizes Windows for seamless access to Xbox and PC game libraries, but can be configured with SteamOS, Windows 11, or even custom operating systems. This core ability to choose and customize software opens up tremendous possibilities. You can dual boot SteamOS and Windows on either device to get the best of both worlds. SteamOS provides optimization for Steam games and quick access to features like cloud saves. But you can reboot quickly into Windows for broader compatibility with games, apps, and peripheral devices. The ability to install multiple operating systems makes these handhelds incredibly versatile. Beyond the OS flexibility, you also get the benefits of open platform PC gaming. Both the Steam Deck and Legion Go allow access to multiple game stores and libraries in a handheld form factor. You can play Xbox Game Pass titles, games from your Epic library, GOG classics, emulators, and more. This provides a level of freedom consoles can't match. On top of that, both these handhelds have their own perks. For example, the Steam Deck has the quick access menu that lets you quickly adjust performance, control settings, and more without leaving games. The Legion Go offers the ability to switch the detachable controller into a dedicated FPS mouse mode. However, the core openness remains a shared advantage. For gamers who value choice and software experiences, the Steam Deck and Legion Go enable levels of customization unmatched by other handhelds. When it comes to pricing, the Steam Deck OLED and Legion Go come in at similar price points, especially when comparing higher-end configs. The Steam Deck OLED maintains the original model's pricing structure, starting at $399 for the 64GB version. However, the 512GB model at $649 is better suited for comparison against the Legion Go. Meanwhile, Lenovo has priced the Legion Go at $699 for the base model. If you max out storage and memory, the top-end Legion Go climbs to $750. The pricing ultimately reflects the different value propositions of each device. With its modular design and high-end specs, the Legion Go aims for sheer performance. The Steam Deck OLED focuses more on refined ergonomics and software openness at an accessible price point. Gamers will have to wait. Portability, power, and platform factors to determine if the Legion Go justifies paying $50 minus $100 more over the Steam Deck. But relatively speaking, Lenovo has priced the Legion Go aggressively considering its positioning as a no-compromise handheld gaming rig. This gives buyers two compelling options at around the same budget range. Overall, while the Legion Go wins on raw power and display technology, we believe both devices carve out compelling niches in the handheld gaming space. For those wanting maximum AAA performance on the go, the Legion Go is a powerhouse. But the Steam Deck still shines for more casual Steam gaming thanks to its approachable price and time-tested design. Moving forward, we hope both companies continue upgrading and raising the bar for handheld gaming PCs.